Hello friends, today I will show you how to select a feature in ArcGIS Pro. So first of all you have to have a layer. Uh, I add a layer of US counties. So suppose I have to find out the Fulton County of Illinois state. So how to do this? First of all, go to your map, then select by attributes, then in here there will be no change, so in here you select county name, then is equal to, then your Fulton County, Fulton. So then apply. So you can notice that there are almost 9 counties selected. So the 9 counties name is similar, Fulton County. So but I need only one county which is in Illinois state. So how to do this? So add additional clause and select state name, then equal to, then Illinois state. Okay, then apply and okay. So you can see the exact feature. Okay, this is Fulton County of Illinois state. So how to extract this? So first of all, go to the main layer and right click, go to data, then export features, then you can change your output feature class, then okay. So turn off your existing layer and this is the final layer. Go to zoom to layer. So this layer is your Fulton County, your selected features. So to select feature is very important in ArcGIS Pro. So first of all, in any kind of exercise you need to select feature. So you can change this color if you want, like this. Thank you.